I'm here to walk you through what we do. At Sunrise Metal, we are all about making your journey from concept to finished products as smooth as possible. It all starts with die casting tooling. This is where the foundation is laid. We collaborate with you to design molds that meet your exact needs. Using tools like DFM analysis and mold flow simulations, we ensure your design is ready for efficient manufacturing. Our precision processes and high-quality materials result in durable molds that perform reliably over time. Next, let's talk about aluminum die casting. With machines ranging from 280 tons to 1,600 tons, we can handle a wide range of production needs. Whether it's small run or a large-scale order, we use premier aluminum alloys to deliver consistent, high-quality results. Plus, we offer feasibility analysis and PPAP support to ensure everything runs smoothly and meets the necessary standards. Then there's precision machining. Our CNC machining capabilities include milling, turning, and drilling, all performed in temperature-controlled workshops to maintain consistent quality. We can handle tight tolerances and large parts up to 34 inches, making sure everything is built to your specifications. For those needing quick turnarounds, we offer rapid prototyping. Whether it's 3D printing, rapid tooling, or metal prototypes, we've got you covered. We will help you accelerate your time to market without compromising on quality. And of course, surface finishing is a big part of what we do. From sandblasting to powder coating, our finishes are designed to meet both functional and cosmetic requirements. They also protect against oxidation, corrosions, and wear, keeping your products looking great and lasting longer. Finally, we provide assembly services. We take the hassle out of the process by offering fully integrated solutions. You don't need to coordinate with multiple suppliers. We handle it all, from parts to final assembly, ensuring everything is ready to go when you need it. Here is all about making things easier for you. Whether you need die casting, machining, finishing, or prototyping, our team is here to help you save time, reduce costs, and achieve results you are looking for. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to working with you.